my channel. It is your girl Tia Zamara here, and in today's video my boyfriend Courtney and I are going to be having our own little DIY paint and sip session. So we're going to be making textured wall art, and right off the bat I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know that this isn't going to be like your typical 1-2 how-to DIY video. I'm going to tell you guys what we're using, how we're going to use it, and then you'll pretty much be able to see us kind of do it and see the final results. Because this is our little paint and sip night. But we are just going to be using these two canvases that we bought behind us. They're 36 by 48 inches, and we got them from Micheals for $47.99. They were buy one get one free. And we also have some spackle, just regular old spackle that we bought from Walmart. It is the kind that dries white. It starts off pink and then dries white. Yeah. And we just have regular spatulas, and we're just going to be going to town, really freestyling everything and just doing what we want to these canvases. Really no rhyme or reason to it. That's why I'm letting him do it. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it.
Peace.
Peace. Let's go nowhere.
Cover your whole thing.
Calm down. My whole thing. Pay attention to your board.
Some shit.
Go ahead.
But you mix out the white too. Okay, I see. I might put some pink and make another color in it. 2 shades of color in it, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, do what you do, see, because right now you ain't got shit up there. And be careful not to poke a hole.
10 seconds later.
Nigga! What are you doing? No, wait. Do y'all see what this guy is doing?
I ain't done yet, nigga.
Bro, what are you doing?
Yet, bro, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
What in the world? Courtney, this is going on the wall in our living room. It's abstract?
Yeah. Don't worry about it, I got you.
Okay.
Just watch.
I really hope that this looks like something, Courtney, because I'd hate to go behind you.
You know the abstract print?
I do.
There's no meaning.
But yeah, like squiggly lines is what we're doing. I really hope that dries brown and not mauve, like for real.
Not without the foreplay. Okay, cool. Not without the first day. Okay, cool. Not before I have to wonder if you let me in. If I walk you to your doorway, let's have sex. Not without the breeze, babe. Okay, cool. Not without the fake case, no.
Bro, you trying to copy this vlog?
No, I'm not.
You trying to not do it, bro.
pictures posted on the wall. Cake pictures posted on the wall. I put her to sleep and she woke up like that. Breakfast in bed, hold up for a snack. Get to the bag, talking a big payback. Roll my wood and give a good. Ooh, that's the way it goes. I know this feel right.
You know what that is?
I don't.
This. Who's that? Who's that?
Not without the foreplay. Okay, cool. Not without the first day. Okay, cool. Not before I have to wonder if you let me in. If I walk you to your doorway, let's have sex. Not without the springs, babe. Okay, cool. Not without the back case. No. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way ain't hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance.
Don't worry about it,
Where's
bro.
the other colors at though?
Bro, I got you, bro. Just chill. I'm not done yet, bro. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Drop the top, but it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me. I saw my nigga that chill with me. The nigga that postin' up, I don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count on my sleep on fleek. Man, I can't spend on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leave. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she Cristiano. I used to break in the handle. Then take up on her like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel.
Oh, your colors do look good.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about my shit. I told you, don't worry about my shit. I know I'm doing. I know I'm doing. Thank you
I
very
feel like
much.
it was really nice.
Thank you. I know what I'm doing, baby. I'm a naturalist. Watch
You
me
just
work.
gave me an idea.
Watch me work. Watch me work. You always trying to watch me get ideas, bro. I know. I inspire you. It's okay.
Bruh.
I inspire you. It's okay.
Bruh.
It's okay if I inspire you, bro. It's okay, bro. It's like, damn.
You give somebody one compliment.
One compliment. Don't. You trying to. You don't know what I'm doing, bro. You be trying to copy me.
I'm not doing what you're doing right now, sweetie, please.
My logo's so neat. I'm giving it a white border.
I'm trying to do a white board too. I like your world.
Thank you. Vamos. Stop looking at you, bro.
I want to get a blow dryer at this point because I'm too impatient to not be able to see how it looks. I want to see how it looks out pink. Can you see this on the wall? What the fuck? Yours looks pretty empty though, like the empty white spaces in between. I think we should fill those in, sweetie, because we don't want it to be white. Because nothing in our house is white.
called art piece.
Courtney, alright, okay, stop. Just stop. Just stop. You're so perfect. It's so great. It's so good.
No, it's about the art. It's not about the canvas.
It is. You have to cover the whole canvas, except for your border. Okay, that's good. That's good, sweetie. That is so good. That's so good. That's so great. That's great. You can stop. Because now you're fucking it up. We have art. And we have dude. All right, you guys, so behind us we have a work of art and a pile of horse shit. Sorry.
Better.
Courtney, tell us what your direction was behind this.
Man, ain't what to talk about. You already know who picture look better. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got what to talk about. When it's all dry, said and done, might as well come out looking the best anyway.
I really was just going for
Garbage.
your face. I was really just going for something very free, but something that still looked like something at least. I wanted to make sure that I had a lot of texture in it, like a lot of strokes. That was one of my main things. Yeah. So you guys, we actually still have to wait for the pink to dry white. Once the pink dries white, we'll pretty much know that just about the rest of it is dry. That'll probably be tomorrow morning. So you guys will pretty much see this when it's time for me to hang them on the wall. That'll be y'all's final, you know, showdown. Simba, stop. They are not even going to look like this, you guys. The pink does dry white. So everything that you see that is pink is going to be drying white, and some of it like up here and in here in mine has already started drying, unfortunately, because he has a bunch of different piles of shit. It's still gonna take a while to dry, basically. But it should pretty much be drying like white, brown, and black, and probably it's gonna have like some grayish brown, I mean, yeah, that grayish brownish look and that blackish grayish look, because we mixed it with the white, the pink. So yeah, y'all. All right, you guys, so this is how they turned out. Honestly, I was not in love with either one. So I did go back in and do some fixing up. With mine, I added some more color towards the bottom. And with his, I just really had to figure it out. I really should have just let him stop wherever he said he was finished and then went from there. But I know next time. So this is how they look when hung on the wall. I did add these wireless picture lights that I purchased from Amazon. Honestly, this camera is not doing it any justice. They look so like way brighter on this camera than they actually are. They're actually really like nice and just dull and really only focus on the picture. You can, you know, change the settings with the remote that it comes with to either high beam, low beam, white light, yellow light, mixture of both. But again, this camera was just not doing it any justice. These lights literally made the house look so fancy, rich, high-end, chic. Y'all, get those lights if you are going to do the canvas wall art. Just get them if you're going to have any pictures in your house, period. But here's a close-up of mine. As you see, I added the color towards the bottom. I also added in just regular paint by itself, that same burnt umber color that I mixed with the spackle. It's just by itself, and that's why it looks a little bit more rich. And on his, I added in more white, more black, just to kind of, you know, tone it down a little bit, because y'all see what's going on in that middle piece. But we ain't gonna talk about all that. They actually I just love them. They match so perfectly with the living room and the boho wall piece that I already did. Check that video out if you have not already. Make sure that you are subscribed, like this video, and comment what else you want to see from me. Turn on your notifications because we are now in the DIY series. So that means we are going to be doing nothing but DIY videos. Yes, y'all. Yes. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.